before the video starts, I just want to cover what's going to be in the video. This video is kind of gonna flip-flop between funny moments that are made by me and my friends and me progressing through Black Blizzard itself. Some of the jokes that are made in this video might be offensive to some, so if you're not a fan of some of the jokes, just move on, I guess. I don't know. And with that out of the way, I hope you enjoy what's to come for the video. Also, like and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me since I put a lot of effort into this video.
Guess my highest CPS ever had.
Like 15?
No, higher.
No, that's bullshit.
What's bullshit?
Any higher you could beat 9 circles.
What's bullshit?
Actually, I haven't beaten 9 circles yet. I just stopped playing it.
Show me what's bullshit.
Oh my gosh.
What's bullshit?
It's not that difficult to get it.
You said that his high CPS was higher than 15.
Yeah. Guess.
With 3 or 4 fingers.
Where's everybody else?
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm in your closet.
Wait, hold on. Let me open my. Why the fuck is there a black? Why the fuck is there a black figure in my closet? Let me grab my.
Shit.
Let me grab my baseball gun.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
All right. I put a handy dandy overlooking machine in my closet, bro.
No.
I'll turn it on.
No.
Alright, I just turned it on.
Okay, I'm far. Cool. Can I not die at that straight flight for once in my life?
Okay, I did 70 to 100 on Black Blizzard.
Down, yes.
That was actually pretty cool.
Yes! Oh my god, I finally this is too long. Oh, that took so much longer. I'm happy. Whatever. Oh my god.
Fun fact, guys, try swimming down the lake as far as you can. That'll be a surprise.
Oh, flip.
Major spelling mistake. I gore-fought.
What did Curse say?
He literally was playing slaughterhouse.
Of course.
Freaking Diamond was in there and they both left, and like 2 seconds later, WizKid joins.
40 to 90 Black Blizzard.
By the way, Harold, I'm watching your completion video on Aftermath, and I really like. Why did you put like Osama bin Laden when I said I'm Arab?
I'm an Arab.
Extra, please, camera, please.
Maybe it's because I'm from San Francisco.
Extra camera, please.
Well, that's because that's just facts.
Because you are Osama.
I'm gonna fly some planes.
I'm gonna fly some planes. Just a couple weddings of my napkin.
Shut the fuck up.
Dude, I can't believe I'm actually doing this crazy ass stand.
Finally did the cube. Alright, I finally did the cube. Like,
Yeah, you finally did the full section of fucking 20.
Yes, the full section of 25.
Hey, does anybody have any stories for today? know?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Alright, let's hear it.
Oh, wait, you actually want me to tell it? Okay. Basically, I took a nap today, right?
Yeah.
And I was asleep for like a good 3 hours.
3 hours later.
And when I woke up, I checked my phone. It said, my mom texted me 3 hours ago. I was like, oh no.
What about your dad?
Well, I have a really cool story, so if y'all would
Oh
just
no,
sit
my
back
dad's
and
too,
relax.
don't worry.
Alright,
Your dad's cool?
if y'all could sit back and relax, I'll tell y'all the story.
I don't know.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so this story takes place back in maybe 1914, 1911 or something.
What?
So the U.S. was in war
What's
with
that thing?
Germany. The U.S. was in war with Germany and the Soviet Union and everything in World War I. And the reason why that war ended was because of me. It was kind of like Nepessa's story, but a little bit different.
Okay.
You know, I decided to one day, hey, I'm gonna just travel back in time. So I took a time machine and just went back in time to 1911. And I was like, oh my god, this is so cool, bruh. It's like IRL Call of Duty. So I take somebody's gun and starts aiming at some people. I start shooting him. 20 dead already. So I run to the Soviet Union. I can just let people through it, like that's just great. I head down over there. I'm like, surrender now or you die. They're like, no.
Die.
And they're like, no, we shall not surrender. So I take the moon and I smash it into the earth. And I'm like, holy shit. So I rebuild the moon. And that's how the Soviet Union became Russia.
Holy shit.
The end.
Oh my god, bro, what? I got 40 to 100. Jesus Christ. That is insane. 40 to 100. Alright. Oh my god. Yeah, wanna get the Dito's hot ranch flavored? Like,
Dito's. Dr. Bob. Prongles.
Mountain Dew? Nah, Mountain Shoutin'.
You want Connect Four? Now we got Connecting Game.
Tic Tac? Nah.
Tick. That's like the most retarded name, bruh.
M&M's not H&H. Snickers.
Ah, what the
22.
hear him. Imagine I accidentally disconnect here. Why am I so fucking good at that section?
You recording? I'm sorry. This is a Christian server. We shouldn't be saying these things.
I go up to the shitty list. I go up to the shitty list. I'm not getting through all the screenshot right now.
I do not ever fucking swear, you fucking nincompoop. Dickhead.
Because that's that logo. Because you remember that logo in between
Yeah.
remember that like weird spherical logo in between
Yeah,
fucking
that was
drop.
Acropolisboys.com. He puts that in all of his logos.
Yeah, no, the circle thing. Where is it?
It's the cube.
Oh, cute. Yeah. It literally has that. It has that. So I thought it was that.
Shit!
What is an old sped person sound like?
I don't know, you try.
This is like Christmas in January for us. If you see anything you like, you can have it.
That's perfect.
Who told you you could take all this stuff? Welcome back to Corridor Crew. It's 2019. We got big plans here in the studio. My biggest plan that I've been thinking about over all Christmas break is building a perfect camera system. To do that, I need to get all our equipment in order. So we need to go through the camera room, which hasn't been organized in like 2 years, clear it out, get rid of all the stuff we don't need, get all the stuff we do need, and get it accessible, get it placed in the right spot, and make it so anybody can walk in, find whatever they're looking for.
I don't know, pencil, bro. At first I thought he nutted red.
That's blood.
No!
Tomorrow's fucking Thursday and all my work is fucking due. We better not have school tomorrow. It's gonna be fucking 15.
True.
And I live at the fucking equator, so they better not take this shit lightly.
So you're
Or
in
they're gonna
Mexico.
fucking mess with me. And I'm gonna fucking play it.
You're in Mexico, right?
Huh?
So you're in Mexico.
You don't want to mess with me, or you don't want to mess with my gang. Or you'll be messing with Little Munchkin. Mr.
No, it goes like this. You don't want to mess with my gang, or you'll be messing with Goofy, General Munchkin Man, Lil Jim Bob, and the worst of all, Larry. Like a lie.
Dio.
Dio.
Yes.
Oh, 残ってんのか、この Dio. No, they're approaching. Oh, you're approaching me. Instead of running away from me. Yeah. Oh my god, it's late. Why am I online? I have to go to sleep. I'm so sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Oops. Dang.
Can you don't?
Fine.
And you don't.
Can you grammar?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing the suicide challenge.
Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're committing to Ronnie McNutt.
Alright, today guys, we're gonna be committing a little.
Only a couple felonies.
We're committing a Ronnie McNutt. So like, I got an assault rifle right here, and
Do I turn around or do I yield?
die.
I'm gonna yield. Alright. It's not working. I'll try again. Alright, I'm a.
That really clears up the space here a lot.
Yes, see? I'm driving radio.
Wait, this guy just got adopted? My friend on Discord just got adopted for the first time.
You might drive a manual, but I've on Manuel.
Manuel.
Ugh, don't laugh like that.
You're echoing to the
Don't laugh like that. Never again.
No, I need somebody to tell like a really bad joke or something.
And now introducing the brand new Whirlwind Comedy Club.
What do you call a woman?
What?
My mom.
Yo, bro, why did the chicken cross the road?
I'm lightheaded now, I already did
The other
it.
side.
Hey, Pedo. Hey, Pedo.
Why was the chicken so cool, bro?
Hey, Pedo.
What?
Knock, knock.
Who is there?
Interrupting shiny Chinese father.
I don't know. Interrupting Chinese father.
You get C in English. You don't speak English. You get B in math. You get A minus in science.
I'm telling the creature on you.
I shouldn't be yelling at stuff right now.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for flying with Delta. We are flight number 93. Please make sure your seat back is in the upright position and your tray table is stowed. All carry-on items must be placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. We'll be taking off shortly, so please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle as we review the safety features of this aircraft. Your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. To release, lift the top flap. In the event of a sudden loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop from the overhead panel. Pull the mask towards you, place it over your nose and mouth, and secure it with the elastic band. Breathe normally.
And the plane crashed.
Wow, SpaceX is gonna help us so much with flying. I can't wait to see the Titanic!
I hear balls. Why there's so many balls? I'm good.
I like that. It's better.
Oh!
Wait a minute. I can hear out of my left ear again.
I'm still working on this. Get your balls out of here.
Okay. Hurry, everyone, pan your to the left.
Fucking asshole.
That's what it was. You're right.
That's what it was.
Ding, ding, ding. He's right.
Alright, wait, should I drive on this patch of road that totally isn't covered in black ice?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh no, it's sliding off the road!
Saw the damage numbers too.
That's a lot of damage.
How did that
It is being
Open the door, bro.
Did you move the door breaking ammo?
Look at the set.
I'm looking for the one. I'm looking for it.
So good. How are you alive?
Oh my goodness, 30 minutes.
Not to that yet. I've been super busy lately. So.
You and your Portuguese.
You're so Portuguese.
Shut up.
Everybody knows Miss Portuguese.
Ellen, I'm gonna rip your earballs out. I'm sorry.
That is ear raping. Please stop. Hey Bentley, please stop.
Now my bleed is lipping.
Yep. This guy's an asshole, man.
You play the Kling Klong Bingo Clack.
Yeah, let me find it.
Woody clack, cling clong bingo clack.
Saying fat cheeks?
Yeah, any fat.
At first I thought he was saying fuck chicks.
Speed run in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I'm not gonna do titles or like captions and whatnot. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you very much. This is part 1 out of many for the Black Blizzard video. So you know, thank you very much for watching this far. There's absolutely more to this, way more clips. So yeah.